money on Etsy by selling digital products. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable recipe binder kits on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you when it comes to confirming if this is really a winning product or not. And also this spying tool is going to help you in the future when it comes to finding new winning products, and also if you want to spy on competitors, or if you just want to spy on the other shops to see what is working for them, what are the products that are making them the most amount of money, and also in order to see the products that are not making them any money at all, in order to avoid those ones. So, and also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products using canva.com without even paying anyone to create them for you, and also without creating them from scratch. You'll just take what's already been made, then you will add your personal touch or just make some adjustments, then you'll have your own product ready to be sold. So here, let's type the name of the product we want to see some examples of, which is printable recipe binder kits. And here, let's click on search, and let's give it a few seconds to load. And based on what I can see right now, I'm going to choose this one here. It's a bestseller, but let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. Here we have a lot of products, but the ones in the front line that you can see right now, all of them are sponsored by their sellers. For example, like this one in here, ad by Etsy seller. Same thing with this one, ad by Etsy seller. Same thing here. This one as well, even though it's a bestseller. So let's just give it a few other seconds in order to switch between the lines. So now pay attention, you will see that these products that are in the front line will be changed right away. Here you can just wait for it, and they will be changed with the ones that are really ranking on the Etsy shop. As you can see now, they switched, and you can see just the ones that are really ranking on Etsy, like this one here, which is a bestseller editable recipe binder kit, a recipe book. We have another one in here, it's from the same store or the same seller, and we have a recipe template printable recipe binder cover. Let's choose this one here, which is a bestseller. So let's give it a few seconds to load, and here let's take the name of the shop, because we will need it when it comes to spying on the shop. So here, take the name carefully. We don't want to copy anything else. Then open a new window and type Everbee, which is the platform we are going to use in order to spy on Etsy, or the platform that I have mentioned before. It's the one we are going to use when it comes to spying. So here, let's sign up for free, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Here it will take a little bit of time, and here still loading. In this spying tool, you will have a lot of tools that you can use in order to see, or in order to scale your business on Etsy. And also these tools will help you save a lot of time when it comes to finding winning products, finding the right keywords or the keywords that are trending, and all of that. So here we're going to use this tool, which is the shop analyzer. So here, let's go to search, and let's type the name of the shop and click on search. Let's give it a few seconds to load the data and the insights. Then we will be able to verify if this is really a winning product or not. And also we will be able to see all of the data about this shop, the amount of products that they have, the products that are making them the most amount of money. So here they have a total listings of 4,231 products listed on their Etsy shop. And here, if you go to the right, you will see the shop's age. This shop was created 51 months ago. And here you will be able to see the total shop sales. This shop made 300,200 324,593 sales over 51 months, which is a lot of money, to be honest. If you can just multiply this number by 2 or 3 or even 4, and consider 4 is the average price that they get for their products, you will see that these people made somewhere around $1 million in 51 months with only digital products. As you can see in here, this shop is only selling digital products. So here, let's look for our product, which is editable recipe binder kit. Here, let's scroll down, recipe book template, editable recipe binder kit. This is the one. Here, let's click on it to see if this is really a winning product or not. Here we have the insights. This product was listed 18 months ago, and we can see these 3 insights, but based on the reviews, you will be able to guess the monthly revenue and the total sales as well. So half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So based on that, we can now say that the amount of reviews is half the people that bought the product, which means a total of 120 reviews means 240 sales in over 18 months. And here we have 6 reviews, which means 12 sales per month as well. So here 12 sales per month, and every sale is $13. That's a lot of money to make only with a digital product, because you will only create the digital product in 3 hours or less, and you will list it in half an hour, and then you will forget about it. When people buy it, you will always get your money. So that's a very good passive income to start. So let's go to the other window and let's type canva.com to start immediately creating a product like that, because as you saw, guys, this is a winning product and we cannot miss this opportunity. So here, let's go to the search and let's type the name of the product, which is Printable Recipe Binder Kits. Here, let's type the name and click on search, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Here, let's wait for it to load. Let's scroll down. Here you will find a lot of products like the ones we saw before in here, or you can just go to where women gather and you can get a lot of recipes like these ones here. Add your touch and you will have your own product ready to list on Etsy. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.